Okay, today we are looking at angles on clocks. I'm going to be completing this worksheet. It says at exactly 1 o'clock, the hour hand on the clock is exactly on the 1, so that's my hour hand. The minute hand is exactly on the 12. The two hands form an angle that is 30 degrees. What would the measure of the angle formed by the clock be at the following times? And the first one it's asking is 2 o'clock. Well, I know that the given information from here to here is 30 degrees, which means that each section on the clock would be 30 degrees. So from 1 to 2, this would also be 30 degrees. From 2 to 3, 30 degrees. 3 to 4, 30 degrees. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. Okay? And I also know that a 90-degree angle would look like this at the 3 o'clock mark. This is asking what it would look like if my angle is at 2 o'clock, which means that this hand is going to move here. Well, if one of these sections was 30, and the other section is 30, and I go back to where I was combining angles, this angle plus this angle, 30 plus 30, what would my 2 o'clock time be? Give you a second of think time. My 2 o'clock angle would be 60 degrees. Explain how I know. I know that each section on the clock is 30 degrees. Okay? So I took my first section and my second section and added them together for a total of 60 degrees. Okay? Given that strategy, let's see if we can go on to 4 o'clock. I'm going to use orange for my 4 o'clock. So I've gone past my 90 degrees at 3 o'clock. And I'm now going to go to my 4 o'clock. So that means I have 30, 30, 30, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4 30s. So I can add 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. Bring down my 0. 3, 6, 9, 12. Well, I do know I went past my 90 degrees, so that seems to make sense and match. And I can also do 3 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 3 is 120 degrees. All right. I use my dark pink to now work with my 5 o'clock. Okay, so my 5 o'clock is now going 30 more degrees from my 4. I'm going to take a moment and pause, and I want you to see how would you figure out what 5 o'clock would be. Now remember, we solved for 4, and I'm adding just 30 more degrees to my angle. Okay, now that you've had time to think, let's go ahead and solve. If my 4 o'clock angle was 120 degrees, and I'm going one more section of 30, I can just add 30 more degrees to that angle. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then I will bring down my 1 for a total of 150 degrees. Okay? Make sure that you have your clock labeled each at 30, and you can work your way around to figure out any angle.